What cluster is that?
It's a race pack.
Race pack.
You guys run them right now?
Alright, so what year is this truck exactly?
46.
Oh, 46. What frame is it?
Dodge Dakota.
Dodge Dakota? Are you freaking serious? That's awesome. You built this truck?
Yep.
Was it like you and your dad, or just you?
Yep.
That's fucking awesome. So 6.0 turboed with a cracked ringling. Pretty much the fastest shit I've ever rode in it. That's fucking awesome. Jeepers Creepers. South Carolina Jeepers Creepers. I know there's a few of them out there, but this shit's awesome. That shit is fucking awesome. He got the same fucking fuel pump I got. Yeah. That bitch moving. He left in high gear.
Yeah.
Yeah. That shit's fucking crazy, boy.
I did not expect it.
Yeah. Anybody want a street race?
But he'll
Jeepers Creepers out here.